Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you few steps which needs to be done before configuring the server as domain controller. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive regular updates. Step 1. Adjust the time zone and time setting. Step 2. Change the IP configuration and set the IP for the server. Set the gateway and DNS according to your network setting. Step 3. Now set the computer name. After changing the name, restart your computer to changes takes effect. That's all for today. Please like and share the video.